U.S. stocks rising across the board this Tuesday afternoon, building on the previous session's strong gains. This as U.S. lawmakers continue to attempt to make some progress on a new coronavirus stimulus package. Meanwhile, the Forex market is just like the AM session. The euro dollar is where we begin. That's under pressure. The British pound U.S. dollar pair under pressure as well, while the U.S. dollar Japanese yen pair under pressure again. Now the Australian dollar U.S. dollar pair that remains in focus as the bias remains bullish. The pair posting a rebound pushed by its rising 50-period moving average. Long positions above 0.71 are favored, with targets at 0.7150 and 0.7175 in extension, while the Bitcoin dollar intraday is moving below its lower Bollinger Band, the pivot point standing at 11,378, and gold intraday sees its support around 1966, while silver, that remains in focus as its intraday support is around 2414. Silver remains above that key support level and is challenging the resistance at 2445. Long positions above 2414 are favored, with targets at 2445 and 2470 in extension.